Hi. Check description under this video to find products links and more reviews. Best Japanese Rice Cookers 2018 – Buyer's Guide and Reviews. Japanese rice cookers are designed to simplify life in the kitchen. We all know that these products are expensive, but they can be a great investment. Choosing the right one might be a daunting task, and with so many top brands, you might not know where to start. Luckily, we have done all the legwork to ensure that you have the knowledge to make the right choice and get the best possible value for money. We have included a buyer's guide to help understand the features these cookers offer and which ones are the most important. First place. The Zojirushi NSLG CO5XB is a well-designed, affordable product. It is made from durable steel. Cooks around 3 cups of rice for the average family. Much like the other Zojirushi rice cookers, it includes multiple different features that will allow to cook different types of rice. The only downside is the fact that it can only cook a couple of servings per cooking session. If you are looking to save a few bucks and get a great cooker, this one should be the choice. What we like. Really affordable. Durable and compact. Versatile. What we don't like. Only cooks 3 cups of rice. Second place. Zojirushi NSLA CO5XT – high-end Japanese rice cooker for home professionals. With a 3-cup capacity, the Zojirushi NSLA CO5XT is one of our favorites. It is durable and stylishly constructed with an easy-to-use. It has the ability to cook all of your favorite rice types in just a couple of minutes. LCD control panel makes it easier for you to navigate the settings and choose the way you would like the rice to be cooked. The only real downside is the inability to cook specialty rice. Oftentimes, you might find the rice a little overcooked, but normal rice will be perfect every time. What we like. Stylish and compact design. Cooks rice evenly. Versatile. Easy to clean. What we don't like. Specialty rice is left undercooked. Result. 4.5 stars out of 5. Third place. Hitachi RZV S2M – Best Portable, Small Rice Cooker for Sushi with Iron Pot. It features a basic jar design. It is quite compact and easy to move around when it is hot. It takes around 3 servings of rice at the most when fully stocked. The product is imported from Japan and comes with standard Japanese plugs that might not work everywhere around the world. This might be a little troublesome, but can be fixed by a professional electrician. What we like. Durable. Compact and portable. Easy to clean. Easy to navigate settings. What we don't like. Shipped from Japan might take some time. Really expensive. Result. 5 out of 5. 4 place. Tyger Corporation JKTS18 UK – Best Japanese Rice Cooker with Increased Capacity, Slow Cooker and Bread Machine. The design is quite large. It might take up a lot of space in smaller kitchens, but it works with virtually any rice you could imagine. The settings pad is quite large, making it easier to toggle and find what you are looking for. While the cooker cannot be washed in water, the lid can be detached and you will be able to wash it a little better. This specific model cooks around 10 cups of rice. You can find the smaller model at a cheaper price. What we like. Extremely durable. Extremely versatile. Easy to clean. Includes an inner pot. What we don't like. Might be too expensive for home use. Takes up a lot of space in the kitchen. Result. 4.5 stars out of 5. 5 place. Toshiba RC10VRGR – Best Quality Rice Cooker, but overpriced. It will not take up too much space in the kitchen and it is constructed from Japanese metal to ensure that the heat is kept inside. The one downside is that it is made for Japanese use and you might need to have a converter for the plugs. The plugs can be changed, but both of these will add a few bucks to the overall price and the cooker can seem a little overpriced. What we like. Durable and stylish. Small and compact. Easy to clean. Reasonably priced. What we don't like. Might need a converter for the power cable. Result. 5 out of 5. 6 place. Tyger JNP1800FL – Best Cheap Pick. It features a metal design that will keep the heat insulted inside and keep warm function will ensure that your rice can stay warm up to 12 hours when you are at work during the day. The slow cooking design allow to use it as a slow cooker if you are looking to cook the meat and the removable steam vent is easy to clean. It has been designed in the form of a jar and this makes it easier to clean and pick up when moving to the table. While the spatula and rice measuring cup have been included, it does oftentimes malfunction with the keep warm function and this can sometimes let you down and the rice might go bad. Fortunately, the good customer support will help you get this problem sorted. What we like. Large design. Ability to keep warm for 12 hours. Really affordable. Easy to clean. What we don't like. Keep warm might malfunction. Result. 4.5 stars out of 5. 7 place. Zojirushi NPNVC18 Japanese rice cooker with pressure cooker 2-in-1. Next, we have the Zojirushi NPNVC18, and this 2-in-1 combo is designed to simplify your life when it comes to cooking those after-work dinners. A steam-reducing setting has been incorporated, and this will reduce the amount of steam that is produced. The main feature is the 2-in-1 design. Now you can heat your food if they are pre-cooked. Instead of spending hours in the kitchen after work, the food can be ready once you reach home. Additionally, the scorch and toast setting is ideal for browning your food and adding those final additions. What we like. Versatile. Stylish and durable. Multiple settings to simplify life. Easy to clean. What we don't like. Quite expensive. Result. 4.5 stars out of 5. 8 place. Mydia MBFS 5017 Best Budget Pick. Last but certainly not least, we have the Mydia MBFS 5017. This is definitely the budget cooker on the market. It includes multiple different functions and great versatility. It is quite small and only features a 5L capacity, which means that you will not be able to cook a ton of rice for the entire family. One of the main downsides is the lack of durability in the inner container. This part is made from softer steel and it is quite easy to scratch. The heat retention after the machine has been switched off is lacking, and you will need to use the 24-hour timer to get everything perfectly heated when you arrive home. What we like. Really cheap. Versatile. Multiple heat functions. Easy to clean. What we don't like. Lacks durability on the inside. Result. 4.5 stars out of 5. Thank you for watching. Check description under this video to find products links and more reviews.